Looking for the top 5 best air fryer options without wasting time or money? Welcome to US Buyer Picks. In this video, I'm reviewing 5 different air fryers, breaking down the real differences that matter, how they cook, how easy they are to use, and who each one is actually best for, so you can make a smart buying decision. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Gourmet Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo 17 Cooking Presets 1700W French Door Digital Air Fryer Oven 24L Capacity Accessories. Convection Rack. Baking Pan Tray Recipe Book GTF 7460. Large. Black. If you're short on counter space but still want one appliance that can actually replace a few others, this Gourmet Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo makes a strong case. The first thing you notice is the French door design, which sounds like a gimmick but ends up being genuinely useful. You can open it with one hand, and it doesn't swing out and hog your whole counter like traditional drop-down doors. At 24 liters, this thing is sized for real American cooking. You can fit a whole pizza, a full tray of chicken thighs, or enough roasted veggies for a family dinner without stacking food. The air fry function works well for frozen foods like fries, nuggets, and mozzarella sticks, especially if you're cooking for more than one person. It doesn't quite crisp as aggressively as a small basket-style air fryer, but the trade-off is capacity. The presets are fine, but honestly, you'll probably end up using a few favorites and ignoring the rest. Where this shines is flexibility. Toast in the morning, air fry wings for lunch, bake salmon and asparagus for dinner. It handles all of that without feeling flimsy or underpowered. This is a good buy if you live in a house or a larger apartment, cook for 2 or more people, and want fewer appliances cluttering your kitchen. It's also great if you entertain occasionally and need oven space without firing up a full-size range. You should skip this if you live in a tiny apartment, rarely cook full meals, or mostly just want fast snacks. It's also not ideal if you want the crispiest possible air fryer results above all else. Overall, it's a practical, no-nonsense appliance that fits real-life American kitchens and everyday cooking habits. Number 2. Typherdome 2 AI Upgraded Air Fryer. Extra large air fryer with superior airflow. Self-cleaning smart digital fryer with PFAS-free basket for quick, easy meals. Fits a 12-inch pizza or 4-slice toast. This air fryer is clearly aimed at people who want premium features and don't mind paying for them. The design is modern, almost futuristic, and it looks more like a smart appliance than a basic kitchen tool. The dome shape actually serves a purpose by improving airflow, and yes, it does cook more evenly than most standard basket air fryers. One of the standout features is capacity. You can fit a 12-inch pizza or 4 slices of toast without overlapping, which is rare for a basket-style unit. That makes it surprisingly versatile for American meals, especially if you're cooking frozen foods, reheating leftovers, or making quick dinners after work. The self-cleaning feature is a real perk if you hate scrubbing greasy baskets. It doesn't mean zero cleanup, but it definitely cuts down the effort. The PFAS-free basket is also a plus for people who care about coatings and long-term use. That said, this is not a simple air fryer. The smart features and AI-style cooking adjustments are cool, but some people will find them unnecessary. If you just want to turn a dial and cook fries, this might feel like overkill. This is best for tech-savvy home cooks, busy professionals, or families who use an air fryer almost daily and want consistent results with minimal babysitting. You should skip this if you're on a budget, hate touchscreens, or only air fry once or twice a week. You're paying for convenience and polish here, not just cooking power. Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer 6.5 QD Pro XL Capacity fits 9 pounds of wings, 6-in-1 Max Crisp, air fry, roast, bake, reheat and dehydrate, non-stick basket, crisper plate and recipe guide, Gray AF 181. This Ninja air fryer is about as straightforward and reliable as it gets. No gimmicks, no smart features, just solid performance. The 6.5-quart basket is big enough to feed a family, and yes, it can actually handle a large batch of wings without crowding if you shake them once or twice. The Max Crisp function is the star here. Frozen fries, chicken tenders, and reheated pizza come out noticeably crisp without drying out. It heats fast, cooks evenly, and doesn't require much guesswork. For everyday American meals, this thing just works. The controls are simple and physical, which a lot of people prefer. You don't need an app, Wi-Fi, or updates. You press a button, set the time, and walk away. Cleanup is easy since the basket and crisper plate are non-stick and dishwasher safe. This is an excellent choice for families, meal preppers, or anyone who uses an air fryer multiple times a week and wants predictable results. It's also a great first air fryer if you're upgrading from a smaller or cheaper model. You should skip this if counter space is extremely limited or if you want toaster oven functionality. This is a dedicated air fryer, not a multi-purpose oven replacement. If you value simplicity, durability, and crispy food, this Ninja earns its spot. Number 4. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT, Premium Ceramic Coating, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Precise heating for even results, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, keep warm, 120V, dark gray. Cosori designed this air fryer for people who care about precision and versatility without stepping into smart appliance territory. The temperature range is impressive, especially the ability to go low enough for proofing dough and high enough for serious crisping. The ceramic-coated basket is a big deal if you're trying to avoid traditional non-stick coatings. Cleans easily and doesn't feel fragile. The airflow is strong and consistent, which helps with even browning, especially for proteins like chicken breasts or pork chops. This air fryer handles everyday American cooking well. Frozen foods, reheating leftovers, roasting vegetables, and even baking small batches all come out solid. It's not flashy, but it's dependable. Where it stands out is control. You can fine-tune temps and times more than most air fryers, which is great if you actually cook instead of just reheating frozen meals. This is ideal for home cooks, couples, or small families who want flexibility and care about materials and cooking accuracy. You should skip this if you want a huge basket for party-sized meals, or if you prefer ultra-simple one-touch cooking. It rewards people who like dialing things in. Number 5. Emerald Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, 24 cooking functions and digital controls, 7 accessories included, stainless steel finish, 26 QT capacity. This appliance is designed for people who actually cook full meals, not just frozen snacks. The first thing to understand is size. At 26 quarts, this is a countertop oven, not a small air fryer, and it takes up real space. If you're okay with that, the payoff is versatility and volume. The French door design is more than just cosmetic. It makes a big difference in everyday use, especially in American kitchens where counters are often crowded. You can open it with one hand, pull out a tray, and you're not dealing with a hot door swinging down into you. If you're cooking multiple trays or moving fast during dinner prep, that matters. This unit can handle real family-sized cooking. You can air fry wings for a group, roast a full sheet pan of vegetables, bake a casserole, or toast multiple slices of bread at once. It's especially useful if your main oven is small, slow to preheat, or already in use. For busy households, this can act like a second oven that heats faster and uses less energy. Air frying performance is solid, especially when cooking larger batches, but it's important to set expectations. You're not going to get the same aggressive crisp you'd get from a small basket-style air fryer. Food comes out evenly cooked and browned, but not ultra crunchy unless you adjust time and temperature and use the right tray. That's the trade-off for space. That wraps up my review of the top 5 best air fryer picks here on US Buyer Picks. All 5 are solid, but the right one really comes down to your cooking style, kitchen space, and budget. You'll find links to each option below if you want to check prices or learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.